Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, 2020, and this is our math lesson for today. We are getting so very close to the very end of our math book. How exciting you boys and girls made it through, and you have done a great job. Today, we're going to start with our Look and Talk page. Oh, what was that? You're right, I still need to write my name. Did you write yours? I bet you got your name written before I did. All right, I'm gonna put it right in here. Mrs. Ropar. And then as I'm looking at this picture, I'm thinking, it's a birthday party. Do you like birthday parties? I love birthday parties. I love celebrating my birthday. So much fun. What is your favorite cake? I like chocolate. I like chocolate cake with chocolate frosting. I'm not going to tell you how many candles to put on my cake this year. Whew, way too many. But I'm looking at this picture here, and there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this little boy right here, he blew out the candles, but he only got 2 of them blown out. How many candles are still lit? That's right, there's 5. So if I were to write a math equation, I would start out with the whole because I'm taking 2 away. So that's going to be our whole part. So our whole is 7 because we know we started with 7 candles. How many candles did he blow out? 2. So I'm going to take 2 candles away. How many candles are still lit? There were 5. So now I can say 7, take away 2, leaves 5 candles left. Now, one of the other best part about birthdays always, and I'm not embarrassed to say, but I do love the presents. They look so pretty, all wrapped up. Now I'm looking at this pile of presents here. I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 presents are there. And this little girl is bringing 2 more for the bunch. So if I start out with 6 and she's bringing in 2 more, to find out the total, what do I have to do? You're right, I have to add them. So there's 6 here, starting out with 6. I'm going to put my addition symbol. And how many more presents did she bring to the group here? She brought 2 more. So when I say 6 plus 2, that's the same as, how many are there total now? That's right, there are 8 presents left. Oops. Let's make my 8 look a little bit better. And there you have it. Now I need you to turn the page. We're going to have a little bit of fun with our pictures here. And when I look at the instructions tell me to listen, add or subtract, then write the numbers. So I'm going to have a little bit of fun with it, but you have to listen carefully, okay? There once were 5 knights standing in a row. 2 marched away. There they go. How many knights stayed there? That's right. 3 knights are still here. So to look at my equation, the story problem said there once were 5 knights standing in a row. Do you remember how many marched away? That's right, 2 marched away. So if this number that is left, 3, is less than 5, that must mean I'm taking away. So I need my take away symbol, my minus symbol. And when I do that, if I had 5 knights, I take away 2. How many are left? 3. Okay, down to the bears. Here we go. 4 little bears named Red, Fred, Ned, and Ted. Chow and Bow came to join them. There are how many bears now? What do I need to do to find out how many there are altogether? That's right, I need to add them. So I started out with Red, Fred, Ned, and Ted, 4 bears. Adding on Chow and Bow. How many bears are there? 2. Okay. How many bears are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding up 5, 6. There are 6 bears now. And I'm going to finish the sentence. There are 6 bears now. And my final story, I don't have a rhyme for you, I'm sorry. But I'm going to say that at first there were 7 soldiers standing here. A few of them marched away. And the only ones left were 2. 2 soldiers left. Can you figure out how many marched away? That's another whole part story problem. So how many soldiers were there at the beginning? That's right, there were 7. How many left the marching? Or how many are left after a few of them marched away? I knew I would get it out there, right? How many of the 7 soldiers were left standing? Just 2. How many then marched away? So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I know that 2 are still standing here. How many marched away? That's right, 5 marched away. So that is our story for today, our math for today. I hope you have fun doing the activity page on 65 and have a good day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.